Stop using ChatGPT like a simple screwdriver. I'm about to give you the unlock that will unlock 90% of the features in ChatGPT so that you can weaponize it. These 6 secret upgrades that I will tell you in this video will completely transform your life and your game, saving you hours in a day. We're gonna start with one that makes it feel like ChatGPT can read your mind. First, we're giving it a personality. In settings, underneath custom instructions, you need to tell it what your goals are, what your life plan is, all of the context that you need it to know. This will transform it from a polite assistant to a ruthless mentor that can actually get you through all of your life goals. I want to remind you guys that ChatGPT is literally made from scraped data from Reddit in 2015. Okay, it has a lot of information in here, but you need to be able to scrape the best pieces of information out of it so that you can get the best outputs. This one change will stop you from getting generic answers forever. Stop typing. Go on your phone and turn on voice mode, and you can have a full-on human-like conversation with this AI. You can brainstorm ideas on a walk, when you're walking your dog. It could be in any single circumstance or situation. You can actually start having human-like conversations with this AI. This one switch turns ChatGPT into a true thought partner that you can interact with anywhere, anytime. Now hit the camera icon. You can point it at a plant, at the car engine, at a real life situation. You can now use your physical reality problems and solve it with this piece of software, which is absolutely incredible. This can instantly turn your phone into a real life scanner that can solve physical world problems instantly. Next up, forget messy folders. You just need to click on the project icon and you can get the centralized brains for your project, for your side hustle. Every single thing that you need information about that project can be in the projects compartment. And the best part about it is that they have really nice icons. Like they're very nice, very organized. Inside any chat, I want you to type /canvas. This opens a personal document where you can edit, co-learn, create with ChatGPT on the side instantly in real time. The next one is so insane that you'll be struggling to find out how you actually lived without it. Every single time that you can go onto ChatGPT, you can actually schedule tasks. For example, you can chat every morning at 9 a.m. I want you to give me the top 3 AI news of the day. And it will give it to you exactly at 9 a.m. You can now schedule prompts in ChatGPT. Now the next one is literally insane because you can use agent mode and you can basically tell it that I want the top 10 best restaurants in my city, make a spreadsheet, put in the ratings, put in their addresses, and it will do that for you in real time, taking full control of your screen. Ask it to code a simple landing page for your next project and it codes it, and you can deploy this within seconds. With zero coding experience, you have an entire website ready for you to deploy. That is awesome and absolutely insane that we can do that. In your iPhone settings, you can replace Siri with ChatGPT. I know the update we've all been waiting for, finally a voice assistant that actually listens, a smart assistant that can actually do something. Your iPhone just became 1,000 times smarter. Go to a site called Rube.app for bonus number 2. You can have an access base of thousands of different apps to integrate with ChatGPT so that you can make it create calendar links for you, booking links for you, sending out emails for you. All of these things can be done when you add the additional apps using Rube.app. For bonus number 3, I'm going to be telling you about OpenAI's new browser, which is called Atlas. This is perfect for browsing the internet with a super intelligent copilot that can summarize tasks for you and do tasks for you. I have just given you an arsenal of prompts. I do not want you to be overwhelmed, so listen to me right now. All I want you to do is I want you to master one technique, one upgrade this week to start implementing into your business and your workflow. And on top of that, if you want all of the different description links, every single thing that I talked about in this video, a little bit more of an in-depth guide on how to do all of that, the description is a very valuable place for you.
If you made it till the end, I have a great surprise for you. So you know how every single person's always saying comment link for the link? They're using something called DM automation, and with ManyChat, you can tell the person to follow you before giving them the freebie. This has increased people's followers tenfold, and I know personally this has helped me get so many important links to my clients. If you want your first month free and 50% off your first 2 months, then check my link in the description.